Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anis and this is A Square Solutions. Here we don't sell dreams, we build skills. And remember this line, write it somewhere. Dreams without systems stay dreams. Systems create reality. If you are new here, hit subscribe. If you are returning, welcome back, legend. And before we start, gently smash the like button, not violently. Just tap it like you tap your phone when you check notifications because this video took serious effort. Let me start with a simple truth. ChatGPT is not AI. ChatGPT is amplified human intelligence. Think of it like electricity. Electricity itself doesn't cook food. Your microwave does. So like no electricity doesn't move cars. Motors do. Same way ChatGPT doesn't build success. You do. So ChatGPT just multiplies your thinking. Like physics tells us, energy can't be created or destroyed, only transformed. So ChatGPT is transformation. Your ideas is being transformed to structured output. Now here's the funny part. Most people use ChatGPT like this, like uh, like write something or give me caption or like make a logo. That's like buying a Ferrari and driving it in first gear. So it's waste. So let me put you in CEO mode. Imagine you own a company. Inside that company, you have a writer, designer, researcher, developer, analyst, marketer. Normally, you would pay salaries. Now they all sit inside one screen. That is ChatGPT. But they only work properly if your instructions are clear. So welcome to prompt engineering. Prompt engineering sounds fancy. In reality, it's just it's just talking properly. Like you walk into a restaurant and say food. So a chef looks at you like now you say, I want butter chicken, medium spicy, extra gravy, naan on side, or less oil. Then, chef becomes Picasso, and same with Chat GPT. Bad prompt, like make website, and good prompt if you want to give, like act as a senior web developer, create homepage copy of for digital agency offering SEO, AI automation, and web development. Tone professional but friendly. Include hero section, services, testimonials, CTA. So that's it. Like details and direction details. If you give details and if you give the direction, then you will get the results. Now let's go heavyweight. Like uh, let let me type a prompt like I run a digital agency called A Square Solutions. My services SEO, web development, AI automation, target audience, startups, and small businesses. create a 90-day content plus lead generation strategy, including blogs, like YouTube topics, LinkedIn posts, free lead magnet ideas, email sequence, and sales funnel. Explain step by step. Now, I'm just giving uh, this prompt to ChatGPT. Now it's the thinking. Now, boom, got it. So that's not AI, that's strategy. This is how consultant thinks. You can see. So let me make science. In chemistry, like catalyst speed up reactions. So ChatGPT is your catalyst. Like in physics, leverage multiplies force. So ChatGPT is your leverage. Like in history, printing press changed civilization. So ChatGPT is digital printing press. Same impact, different century. So I'm using ChatGPT Go, and for Indian users, many got ChatGPT Go for 1 year from November 2025. So if you have it, great. If not, free version still works. Paid gives like faster answers, better models, projects, GPTs, integration, longer context. But listen carefully, a fool with Ferrari is still slow. A skilled driver on a scooter reaches destination. So skill is greater than tools. Now here is the project. Think like this project, your brain has departments, so should ChatGPT. So create project like YouTube system, blog system. You can create client work. Inside each, you can keep prompts, ideas, draft sheets. Okay, this stops the chaos. Remember, clarity beats complexity. Okay, and here are the GPTs. So GPTs are specialist. Okay, like ChatGPT, uh, you can integrate other apps also with the ChatGPT, like Canva, Scholar GPT, Copilot for coding, Scholar GPT for his research, Canva GPT for design, Expedia for travels. So instead of switching 10 apps, you orchestrate everything from here. It's like Avengers but for productivity. Now let's integrate Canva. As I have already integrated the Canva. Okay. Now you can see the Canva GPT. So here, if you are going to give any prompt to the Canva, like create a thumbnail for YouTube YouTube video for Chat GPT Master Class, big bold text, ChatGPT Pro Masterclass Futuristic Background AI. Now you can wait. Okay. Now it is talking to the ChatGPT plugin canva.com. Now here are some YouTube thumbnails based on the ChatGPT Pro Masterclass idea. Okay. So you can click any options and edit it directly in Canva. Okay, you can adjust the fonts, and if you want to edit the design also, you can edit the design also. Okay, it will take you to another window. Like if you are going to open that link, that will open in another window of the Canva. Okay, so the thumbnail will be ready. Okay, so time saved is within. Okay, so here you can see now Codex. So this is the Codex is developer brain, but even non-coders can use it. Like if you're going to give a prompt, like create a simple HTML landing page, create a simple HTML landing page for digital agency with hero section, services, testimonials, and contact form. Generate, and so you can generate. You just need to integrate the Codex. Just create an ID with Codex, and after that integrate it to with the Chat GPT, and you have to integrate your GitHub also with the Codex. Now here you can see it's thinking. By the way, if you're serious about online income, check our playlist. It's real, you can earn money online, and also build a blog website with the help of WordPress and Elementor. These are the bricks, and this video is cement. Okay, so now you can see this is the log. Okay, still it's thinking because it will give us the preview page also. Okay, this is working on our task still. Now you can see that has been already created. So here is the, okay, you can see you can copy the code and open a replit and paste and run, and you can publish on the replit also. Okay, so this is how software is born. No university, no expensive developer team, just logic and prompts. So earlier kings controlled printing presses. Now creator controls code. That's power. Let's be honest. Online incomes comes from services, ads, affiliate, product, consulting. Not shortcuts, not lottery, not overnight. Rome was not built in a day, but it was built daily. So, like in history, industrial revolution changed labor, AI revolution changes thinking, and like in space, satellite orbit Earth silently, but control GPS, internet, and the banking. So AI works same, invisible but powerful. And like in the same, you can uh, like in maths, like uh, in compounding, small daily effort uh, into time is equal to massive result. And like in chemistry, uh, consistency is reaction. So like stop reacting and process dies. So don't stop. And if you don't want to do everything alone, at A Square Solutions, we help with SEO, website, automation, AI tools, strategy. So go to the contact page, send us messages. We will respond. No pressure, just clarity. Drop a comment and tell me what topic do you want next. Okay, write it below. We will try our best to create a detailed video on your topic. This channel grows with you. And let me something funny. Like people ask, can I earn without learning? That's like asking, can I eat without chewing? Doesn't work. So as they say, no pain, no gain, no hustle, no muscle. Like in like we say in India, like मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है. So let me end with this. You don't need perfect conditions. You need consistent action. So start messy, improve daily, because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So if you learned even one thing, like, subscribe, and share with one friend. Knowledge only matters when spread. Thanks for watching. Build skills, build systems, stay curious. See you in the next video. Thank you.